Welcome to this short tutorial on how to use your Salinas Public Library card in order to access books on the Libby app. You can also use the Overdrive app if you prefer it. Libby and Overdrive are both digital media applications that allow you to access ebooks and audiobooks. How is Libby different from the Overdrive app? Both Libby and the classic Overdrive app allow you to borrow and read the same digital content from your library, but they look and feel different. Libby has a fresh, easy-to-use design that makes it the best app for most digital library users, while Overdrive is available on more devices. We'll be focusing on Libby today, but if it is not available on your device, downloading Overdrive is another way to access the same content. And after downloading the app, the rules are essentially the same. Your first step is to make sure you have a library card. If you're already covered there, you're ready for this next step. If you still need a library card, check out our library webpage on www.salinas.publiclibrary.org and look for how to sign up for a library card there. The next step is to obtain the Libby or Overdrive app or to sign in via links on our website. Libby can be downloaded to your phone or other device using the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store. It is also available on some Chromebooks. Overdrive is available on Google Play, the Apple App Store, on Google Fire tablets and mini Chromebooks. After you have downloaded Libby or Overdrive, you will need to create an account on the app. While creating your account, you will be given the opportunity to enter your library information and library card number. This information will allow you to access the content the Salinas Public Library has available. After you gain access, you'll see that there are two broad choices here at the bottom of the screen. Library, or shelf. The shelf will be holding the books that you have already checked out. When we move to the library app, we can find a lot of choices that can be narrowed down in a number of different ways: age, genre, format, availability, if you're looking for books or audiobooks, you'll select which one you need. Here we'll be able to see the books that are available. They're currently in order of popularity. If an item is available, you'll see the word borrow. If someone else has already checked out the item, you can click place hold and will be notified when the item is available again and can check it out at that time. For now, let's borrow a book. We're going to borrow The Tattooist of Auschwitz. At this point, you would click the word borrow. All books are available to be borrowed for 21 days. You can now go to your shelf, and you should find the book that you just borrowed. In this case, we borrowed an audiobook. If you click on the book, you'll have the availability to turn it on and be able to play it. Thank you for listening, and we hope that this tutorial has helped. And be sure to check out our other videos on how to access other digital items.